Recovery phase. In response to the Region 5 Port of Tacoma exercise events of the morning, a Unified Command, or UC, was formed at the Port Business Center and augmented by the Pierce County Incident Management Team. The specific objectives for the UC were to work through recovery issues and develop the Incident Action Plan for the second operational period, beginning 8 a.m. July 25th through 8 a.m. July 26th, addressing the concerns of security, investigation, resumption of normal business operations, and salvage and cleanup. Recovery issues and concerns of the participating agencies were addressed in a tabletop discussion conducted the morning of July 25th. The UC staff briefed the second operational period Incident Action Plan, which set the stage for federal, state, local, and private business officials to work together to discuss development of numerous recovery plans to include business recovery operations. The issues raised during the recovery tabletop will provide a broad base for future preparedness, contingency plan development, and the establishment of a benchmark for planning discussions for some time to come. Hot wash phase. A strategic level hot wash was held on July 25th based on the theme of participating agencies' use of Incident Command System, or ICS, and the recovery efforts. It focused on 3 areas for each agency: what went right, what went wrong, and lessons learned.
The positives were really in Unified Command and in the entire planning cycle, the integration of public and private agencies. That's a really difficult thing to do, but I think everybody saw the value in joint participation. The strides that have been made in integrating ICS just from last year are pretty incredible.
We all got a better understanding of what each other's problems were. I had no idea until we went through this exercise how far-reaching and how dire some of those impacts would be. So this changes our approach too, as far as looking beyond the immediate response to the emergency and getting into how do we heal these things and get back to a normal operating procedure.
2 years ago, I didn't know any of this stuff, okay? I knew that there was a federal regulation requiring marine terminal operators to conduct annual exercises. And we were very fortunate through the Port of Tacoma to hook up with AWI.
I would agree with the overarching goal. I think we have different concepts of what recovery means. Everything I heard was business continuity and getting back to business, but that doesn't deal with the impacts of being out of business.
Overall, the AWI 07 North exercise was deemed successful.